Hello from Legoland Windsor. We are here for the Ninjago event and it is 11:15 and we're 45 minutes late. So we're now got in and I've got my Ninjago lanyard on, all ready for the event. At this event there is a lot of stuff going on. As you see, there is a show here. There is meet and greets going on through the day. There's lots of dance shows and other things like that. So to check out when the times are for them, I would definitely recommend checking the app throughout the day to check when the shows are. So that was the Dragon's Drumbeat show and that was very good. I'm a massive fan of Lego Ninjago, so I'm very excited for today to check out all the stuff that's going on for this event. If anyone doesn't know, that is the best Lego Ninjago character. Lloyd Garmadon is the best ninja. Best character. So today will actually be my first time on Pirate Falls Treasure Quest and I'm very nervous because I don't know what to expect, but we'll see what happens.
That's massive! Oh my god.
Just done in Pirate Falls and it was brilliant. I had my poncho on so I didn't get my hair wet because I hate getting my hair wet. And now we're going on my favourite ride at the park, Lego Ninjago. I've had a great day here for the Ninjas Unite event and I really recommend it to any Ninjago fans. The shows are amazing, there's meet and greets, there's activities, it's amazing. So definitely come here and check it out during the summer and I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in another video.